Can you chug a sparkling water and not burp? Oh my gosh. What do I do?
You go first.
All right. My first fact is I'm a Libra.
Okay, I'm a Capricorn.
Okay. My second fact is 3, 2, 1. I'm Jewish. I'm a Jew.
I'm Mexican.
Okay, and then the last fact is I happen to be attracted to Latinas. I like Latinas, so yeah. Jesus Christ.